So in the question we have a steel rod at 40 degrees is observed to be 1 meter long. So length is equal to 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeters. I am converting it into centimeter because options are in centimeters. And T1 is equal to 40 degrees. T2 is equal to 40 degrees Celsius. And it is measured, the steel rod is measured by a brass scale, which is correct at 0 degrees. So T1 here is 0 degrees Celsius. We need to find the correct length. First we'll find delta L and we'll subtract it from 100 centimeters. Where alpha of steel is given, we'll take this as alpha 1, which is 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6 inverse of degree Celsius. And alpha of brass is given, which is alpha 2, 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6 inverse of degree Celsius. So we know delta L is equal to L alpha 2 minus alpha 1 into delta T. Delta L we need to find. L is 100 centimeters. We can write 100 as 10 to the power of minus 2. We can write 100 as 10 to the power of 2. Alpha 2 and alpha 1 have taken 10 to the power of minus 6 common. So 19 minus 12 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Delta T is T2 minus T1, which is 40 degrees. So delta L is equal to 10 to the power of 2 into 19 minus 12, 7 into 10 to the power of minus 5 we can take. We can write 40 as 4 into 10. So we can write it, okay. So it becomes 7 into 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So delta L is equal to 7 4 is 28 into 10 to the power of minus 3, which is equal to 0.028. So we got delta L. The reading will be correct at 0 degrees, but it is measured at 40 degrees. So we have to subtract it from the length. It shows more reading. So the correct length L minus delta L, which is equal to 100 minus 0.028, which is equal to 99.972 centimeters. In the options there are only till 2 decimals, so we'll consider only this much. So this is the correct length. So the option is 3.